Hey again. Maybe you want to show the list of animal in different way. You want to show the animal who is the color animal as the red box around it, while the normal animal you show it as a normal animal, it's not danger. So first of all, to do this, you have to go here and define new properties. Name it what? Name it is color. So is the animal color or not? And this one should be boolean, okay? And by default should be false. So is not color. So what we would say, you would say, okay, is color would be coming as input as a boolean, and this dot is color equal to is color, whatever coming. Maybe you don't like it by default false. You could give it null. That is totally fine. You just give it, hey, by default I want it to be null. I don't know what's the type of this animal. That's fine. Now when we go to the implementation part, which is this part, when I create list of the animal, first of all, is the baboon color? It's no, say false. Is the blue dog color? False. Is the panda color? We would say false. Bird color? No, false. Is the tiger color? True, yes, it's color. Is the zebra color? It is false. You could say panda also, it's color. Just to show more on the list. So two colors, two normal. So I have the list ready. Now did you see this is the ticket that I showed for the animals? I want to get a new ticket from this one. So just let me get a new ticket. Okay. And I name it animal not or animal color ticket. Okay, in this way. Yes. What I will do, I will just go here to the not color, Control A, Control C, and copy all the code here in the new ticket. But this one I want the round box will be not red, I want it to be white and red. So if you see here in the drawable, I have this background. I want to get a new one. Okay, so I say background for color. You could do it background underscore color small because you don't accept the capital letter. Go to the normal background and copy all the code, add it here, and you could say here, you could define anything like, I think we could say the stroke, you give it a color, you could give it this color, and you could specify width, like for example 5 pt if you would like. If you see it 5 too much, make it 2 pt, and just around box. See just what I did around it. Just stroke mean whatever you want to on the around. So if you just go to this one, which is color ticket, so if you see here I am loading background, no, here I'm loading background color, which is a little bit different than the normal from the normal background, which is fine. Now what I want to do is this. Here in the loading part, I want to load ticket if the animal is color different from the one is not color. So if you see here animal, I say, hey, if the animal dot is color which equal true, that means this is animal's color, I will load specific ticket. Otherwise, I will load this ticket. Okay? So I say if, let me just add this between two brackets. That means is the animal is color, do this or not do this. So the normal way I'm calling this one. But in the if statement, if it's the color, I would call different ticket, which is animal color ticket. Okay? That is. You say, hey, if the animal is color, load that ticket. If the animal is not color, load this ticket. So you could manage it in this way. So when he come and see in the list the animal is color, he will load the not doesn't have red one. If he check when he load, he see it is the color, he load the other one. So what I want to tell you in this point, you could load tickets as much as you want, as any type you want. You could add 1,000 of tickets with different design. I could load them. If you see here, I'm loading two different tickets, one for the color and one for the not color, and should work fine without any problem. So just loading. So you could load whatever. I say, hey, load the animal color. Here we'll load the normal animal, and he will be able to do that really easy. If you see when it's a normal animal, he loaded. When the animal will be color, he load in this way ticket. So try to design different ticket and try to display them in the UI and see how they appear. So here we're done. Thank you for watching. See you next.